everybody, Jamaica here. So today I'm going to be customizing my MacBook Pro. I normally don't, customize my desktop, but I've been seeing a lot of people doing it lately on YouTube the past few months. I thought it was a really cool idea to try out. So I'm going to be doing that, but first I have to update the software on my computer because apparently I'm running Ventura, but a new software update came out and it's for Sonoma. I guess I just kept ignoring my software update alerts or whatever, so we're going to do that first before doing anything before we get started. Now that I've updated my computer with the Sonoma operating software, I'm going to get started on customizing my desktop wallpaper and folder icons. I don't know if you have the same issue with your folders on your desktop for your MacBook or your iMac, but do you see how I'm unable to move anything out of place? Everything is just kind of pops back into place and won't go anywhere. Well, that's because Snap to Grid is currently activated, and in order to remove Snap to Grid so that way I can freely move my folders around on my desktop, I right click and I go to sort by, select none, and there you go. Now see, everything is kind of all over the place. It doesn't automatically snap back to one side of my desktop. This is going to help me have the ability to move my icons wherever I want on my desktop once I put my desktop wallpaper organizer on my computer. Before I changed my desktop wallpaper, I think I want to go ahead and change my folder icons first. And to do that, I've created some minimalist folders with different colors that I'm going to customize my current folders with. Let's see. I'll go with this color. Next, I have to copy it. All right, let's move this out of the way. Now that I've copied the folder that I want these folders to look like, the next thing to do is right click, select Get Info, and you see it shows a preview of what the current folder looks like. Well, you're going to click on here at the top. Let me bring this a little out in the center so you can see it better. Okay, so you click this at the top, go to Edit, Paste, and it changes it to the folder that you copied. You exit out of that. I don't know if you can see it with this wallpaper that I have currently, but it's the same one that I copied. And you would just repeat the process with the rest of your folders that you want to change. So click on it, edit, paste. And instead of having to constantly go to edit and paste, if you want, you could just do the shortcut. So let's right click, get info, select the top here, and then you just do Command V and it'll paste the folder instead of doing edit and paste, whichever way is comfortable for you. Here's another tip. If you ever want to make your folders look like the default blue folders that it looked like before you changed them, the only way, and I don't know if there's another way to do this, this is how I do it. I create a new folder by right clicking, select new folder, and then I copy the folder to copy the look of the folder, and then right click on the folder you want to change back to the default. Doing the same process, go to Get Info, select the top here, and then you would edit and then paste, and it changes it back to the default blue folders. So that's just a little tip. I don't know if there's another way to do it, but that's how I know how to do it. Now that I have my folders the way that I want them, I'm gonna add the desktop wallpaper. So to change your wallpaper, you would right click, go to change wallpaper. Right now it's on Sonoma Horizon, but I'm gonna change it to, I think this is the one for November 2023. So I select it. No, that's December. That's okay. This is just a tutorial. It's probably gonna be December by the time you see this video anyway. So I currently have it on fill screen, but you can change the different fit for your screen. As you can see, it's not doing anything to my screen actually, because I currently have it at the exact dimensions or pixels for my computer. So when you have the exact dimensions to fit your screen, you really don't have to do anything with this. I mean, you can if you want, but I don't really think it's needed if you have the exact dimensions. Now I have my wallpaper, but my icons are all over the place. So we'll go ahead and organize this. Put my important files here. And the thing with it not being on a snap grid anymore, or snap to grid, I keep calling it snap grid, but it's snap to grid. With it not being snap to grid, you have to pretty much try to get this centered yourself as best as you could. Or unless, you know, it doesn't really matter. It's up to you. So I'm gonna just move these things over here to my apps section. So my screen recordings, so I can put this video together and save it here under my to-do list. And well, there you go. So that is how you customize your desktop wallpaper and your folder icons on a Mac operating system, or MacBook, iMac, that kind of thing. So let me know in the comments if this was helpful, and I hope maybe I can make some more tutorials like this, because this was a learning experience. I learned a lot doing some research on how to do these things, and I hope that my video helps you customize your desktop. And there you have it, my customized desktop wallpaper on my MacBook Pro. This is gonna be fun. So I hope this inspired you to get out there and customize your desktop, and maybe it'll brighten your day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.